today, we will showcase some fractions of inches power. Watch as Major Dolphin accelerates at just below the speed of sound, covering a total of 3 football fields per second. If that isn't impressive enough, you'll then pull back on the stick, catapult by light from 300 feet to over 3 miles into the sky. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for the sound of the air superiority on the high-speed pass. But like a choose combat racer. We'd also like to remember our wounded warriors, veterans and lieutenants, and those who have given their lives defending this great nation. Inverted pass. fighter engine ever built, make it possible to reduce the speed of the F-35 to less than 100 knots. Coming into that, the multiple F-35 slow. Just past our once again witness a raw powerful engine as the light jet decides to aircraft to near vertical climb. Out of the balloon. Those getting your luggage, please forward and tactical coach. F-35 dedicated crew chief, Staff Sergeant Jose Flores Velez, from San Jose, Puerto Rico, Staff Sergeant Nick Lee, Clovis, New Mexico, Senior Airman Owen Hanson, Gulfport, Mississippi, Senior Airman Kylan Worden, Phoenix, Utah, our team's public affairs representatives, First Lieutenant Emily Kennedy, Naples, Florida, Staff Sergeant Zachary Rufus from Dallas, Texas. This concludes today's demonstration. We hope you have all enjoyed a brief display of a fraction of the F-35's full combat capability. As an integral part of the most capable Air Force the world ever known, your F-35 Lightning IIs are ready to defend our nation's skies and dominate the battle space anywhere on the globe. Are you ready to aim high, fly, fight, and win? On behalf of your United States Air Force, the commander of Air Combat Command, General Adrian Spain, and all of the men and women of Air Combat Command, we thank you for your attendance, patriotism, and support. If you enjoyed today's performance, please make sure you like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at F-35 Demo Team, and tag us in all your social media posts at hashtag F-35 Demo Team.
Let's give it up, everybody, for your United States Air Force and the F-35A Lightning II. And let that extend as well to the narrator, Master Sergeant Leonard Buschini, and as well to the demonstration pilot, Major Sean Rambo Laughlin. What a tremendous performance indeed. Well, that, ladies and gentlemen, does put a wrap on our 2026 edition of the Fiesta of Flight Air Show. You all have been a terrific air show audience, and we thank you for sharing your day with each and every one of us here at Laughlin Air Force Base. We want to send thanks to Air Show Director Major Neil Moulton and Deputy Director Captain Jonah Nolder. Our Air Operations Director is Captain Matt Kellen. Our Deputy Air Ops Director is Captain Sebastian Coburn. Our Ground Ops is headed by Captain Tia Massa. Our Hospitality Lead is Major Stephanie.